Saturday. You see that? It's quite annoying. It's one of those watches I'm trying to treat, and yeah, it's annoying. And I'm waiting for Dawn right now because we're having a shoot today. So I'm still waiting. I'm ready, all dressed up. Oh, I gotta get my sunnies because my eyes are annoying. Let's do this. Whoa!
Raining one by one.
Hail! Tangina hail!
Help! Fire!
Boss, anong ginagawa natin dito, boss?
Iniisip kong magtayo ng mall dito eh.
Anong klaseng mall?
Ha?
Lumberyard?
Lumberjack.
Fast food?
Alright, now I want you to
Okay, hail! Oh my goodness! I don't know if you're getting this, but yeah, they're as big as
as my balls.
Folks, it's Sunday and Saturday was really eventful for me. It was a really long Saturday. Yeah. So it started with I was cleaning the house that we're leaving as of Friday night, and I got home around 2 a.m. No, was it 1 a.m.? Yeah, 1 a.m. We had a good dinner though. That was really good. But the thing is, after that, I was wait a minute, let me drive. Okay. After that is that we went. Okay, it was an eventful Saturday for me. It was a long Saturday for me. It started with a Friday. I was cleaning. Rain is really bad today. That was really bad. Saturday, I was cleaning the house that we're gonna leave, and I ended up around 12 a.m. And that's the second, third day I was cleaning it. And then the next day I had to wake up around 6:30 because Dawn was picking me up around 7:30 for a wedding, which was really, really far, but it was fine though. We went to Emerald, an hour away, and after that we went an hour away to the redwood forest. So it was a lot of traveling, and there was raining and there was hail and everything else. Man! Okay. So I was able to vlog because I was busy shooting with weddings. Oh, shooting the wedding. Okay, yeah. And then right now is that I left my RX100, so I didn't want to vlog using the other camera. So that was all good. And after that, Laura told me later, she had a minor accident with the car. She just broke the rear glass of the car. Now it's there's no glass. I have to get it fixed tomorrow, but I have work. I'll see how it goes. And also, I'm nearly getting sick now because weather all the work, and I have to wake up early today to finish my cleaning because we're going to turn out the keys today. So yeah, it's been a stressful weekend for me. I hope I'll be alright. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to go back driving now because the weather's really bad. You can see the weather's really bad now. Yeah. What if I'm calling me? Just cut me. Fucking hell. Anyway, I'm really banged up as of today. My body really hurts. I was supposed to wake up around 7, but yeah, well, I got up around 10:30. Body really bad, banged up. Weekend shoot and a lot of work, but I'll be fine as long as I can just get food. So first thing I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go to Mac's and get coffee frappe. That's gonna be fucking good. Maybe get a pancake or something. And then after that, I'm gonna go to Bunnings to get some of those sprays, those anti-mold sprays. I'm gonna take up all the molds and yeah, clean the house. My deadline's around 3 p.m. today, so better get it done.
I think it's seriously the biggest event all year to get it.
So one of the things I've embraced is that I'm gonna vlog myself no matter how I look. Okay. Before I can't vlog if I look bad. I always look bad. But the thing is, yeah, I've embraced the thought that I'm gonna vlog even if I look like shit. Like shit. Yeah, I've embraced the feeling. And yeah, enjoy my vlogs. I hope a lot of you are following me and giving me thoughts. And the rain's really bad. I think it's hailing. Fuck, it's hailing. Yep. You can see the hail. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, there's hail. A lot of hail. Pretty rainy and a lot of hail. A lot of hail. I don't know if you can see it. I doubt if you can see it, but yeah, it's a lot of hail. Right there. You can see some hail. Yep, hail. Okay, gotta get better driving. I'm looking into quitting photography and doing just hobby photography, not wedding photography, and doing videos. But videos sometimes are tiring. I know. There's no simple way around it. Okay, so you can't start working without breakfast. So I'm going to Mac's right now and trying to get some pancakes and some coffee frappe. It's cold today. Cold coffee frappe is really good. Yeah. Yep. Thanks, right. It's alright. It's good. Thank you. Thank you. And large Coke. Oops. Thank you. So yeah, that's Mac's. Coffee frappe large. They didn't give us a straw, motherfuckers! They didn't give me a straw. Anyway, let's see how it goes. Bunnings for some supplies. Rainy. I was able to record earlier, but that's fine. One of the best house cleaning thingies that I've used. Blown out. One of the best house cleaning that I've had. Also the other mold cleaner, but the mold cleaner is out of stock. Anyway, let's go. Thanks, Bunnings. Okay, I've chosen to do some chill, old school songs, W Rock style. It is a Sunday. It has to be a laid back Sunday. I miss those Sundays back home when you just lay down, listen to the old music that my dad plays. I miss those times. And one of the things, one of the reasons why I miss those times is that I don't have to pay bills and I just have to be a spoiled kid. And the feeling is like relaxing. Yeah, listen to the songs. You get like, shit. Or am I just that old? Nice looking tree there. I'm just doing a lot of videos now. Just vlogging. It's gonna take a long time. I need to cut this short. But if you take a lot of footages, make a lot of memories. If I make around a 15-minute video for today, I don't mind because it's what happened today. And the way I'm vlogging today and the next days is that I'm just gonna vlog everything that's gonna happen. There's no storyline to it. It just needs to get things up. So, yeah, that's what you call hobbies. I'm here already. You can hear the echo, and this is my old studio, which is pretty good, pretty big, but I'm gonna miss it. We're leaving the place, so that's it. Anyway, I need to start cleaning now because there's a lot of things to do out there, and let's do this. Come on, let's go. Epic thing in life! Just did the first load of rubbish in my car, and you can see there's a lot of rubbish there. Fucking hell. Let's do this! Okay, I'm gonna go to the tip right now and I'm gonna try to throw all these rubbish bags in those. Let's do this. So there you go. Big pile. Okay, just threw a big chunk of rubbish and I'm heading out now. Okay, heading out back. Minutes to like do the second loading from the tip. And I don't know if I can make it, but I'll try my best. There's a lot of rubbish out there, man. Well, a lot of rubbish. Anyway, let's see how it goes. Trips to the tip, and we're all good. I got all the rubbish out. The thing is, my back towel is flapping because I don't have any cover. I need to fix this when I get there. But for now, I'm gonna need a bath. I'm gonna need a good bath. And yes, I'm gonna go home. Oh, by the way, I went to the tip to throw all the rubbish, and I arrived there at around 3:29, and it closes at 3:30. So like, lucky. Oh well, gotta go. Enjoy your Sunday, everyone. Like fucking so noisy in the back. ND filters. Let's see, it's on. Okay, so it's kind of blown out today. Anyway, let's do it again. Anyway, yeah, just done with the inspection and just done with the cleaning. I just need to have the back part mowed. But as for now, I'm heading out. Lighting's really crappy up here. But anyway, I need a good bath. Yeah, need to fix that window. That one, whatever that is. Okay guys, happy Sunday everyone. I've been repeating it again and again. Happy Sunday. Enjoy your day. Life is good. Yeah. Okay, I'm still here at Bunnings. I'm just getting those plastic thingies. I'm gonna put them over the glass area, the window. I don't know what to call it now. Anyway, I'm heading back to Box Hill. Unload all the stuffs here, get a good bath, and then fix the rear window or something. Yeah. But yeah, 5 years in this place here. Memories. So okay, so I'm heading out now. The sun's really bad. What I'm just thinking now is just the memories on that place there. 5 years of memories. I'm heading to Box Hill now. I'm gonna miss the place a bit. Let's do this! Life goes on. Yep.